Hey guys, what's up? And welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. First of all, I just want to say thank you so much for all of the love on my previous video. You guys are the best and I love you all so much. Now that I am back on YouTube, what better way would it be to come back with an updated room tour? I did my previous room tour, I think like over 2 years ago, and I ended up redoing my room, I think like 10 months later. And ever since then, I've gotten so many comments from you guys to do an updated one. And here I am today, finally doing it. I did really like my room previously, but it didn't really have a proper like filming setup, which is why I ended up redoing it. And you will see all of the changes that I've made. But one of like the biggest change is this pink sofa that you guys see. I ended up getting this and I love it so much. In this video, I'm going to be giving you guys an overview of what my room looks like now. I do plan on doing a separate video in which I will be giving you a tour of my desk area and my closet. I did end up redoing my closet as well. I used to have like all of my clothes in there, but then I was like, you know what, it would be so awesome to have all of my art supplies in one area. And yeah, I ended up redoing it and it basically looks like a mini craft supply store now. It's pretty awesome and I'm very excited to share it with you guys. So I will be doing a full-blown tour of my desk area and my closet in my next video, which is going to go up probably next week. Anyway, this intro is getting very long now, so I hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be so awesome. And also, be sure to press the bell icon. That way you will be notified every single time I post a new video. And yeah, with that all being said, let's get right into the room tour. This is what you see when you first walk into my room. On the left is the door to my closet, and I will be doing a full-blown tour in my next video. So now I'm going to turn you guys back around, and on the right you can see that there is the door to my room, and then on the left is the door to my bathroom. Here is a quick overview of what my room looks like now. If you watched my previous room tour, you will be able to tell all of the differences, but the major difference is the bed. I used to have a queen, now I have a twin-sized bed because I wanted to put in this pink sofa, so I had to like downsize on the bed. I love this sofa so much. You guys have seen this in my videos now as well. And I got this sofa from Article. It is absolutely stunning. On top, I have this cactus tapestry hanging. I got this from Amazon for 20 bucks. I saw this same exact tapestry on Urban for 40. So if you're looking into buying a tapestry, Amazon is the way to go. The throw blankets and pillows are from PB Teen. They are really nice, super soft. But I will say that their customer service was just awful. I bought these online and yeah, it just wasn't a good experience. So in case you are looking into buying something online, I'm just letting you know. I also have some plushes on top because I have an obsession with plushes, as you guys may already know. The coffee table is from IKEA and I like to keep it pretty empty because I film some of my intros here, so I like it to be pretty simple. Underneath I have this white fluffy rug. This is so soft and so fluffy. 10 on 10, would recommend. I got this from Rugs USA. On the side here I keep my 1 million subscriber play buttons for both of my channels, which thank you guys so much for subscribing and watching my videos. I love you guys so much. Next to the sofa is my filming setup. So this stand, I'm gonna be honest, is an eyesore, but it is so practical. Before, I would always have to set up a tripod, and that was just a pain. So having this stand has like changed my life. It has made everything so much easier. So here you can see I have my camera, my microphone, and like the recorder, and I have everything like all set up for me. So yeah, it's honestly life-changing. On the table, I do have some filming necessities. So I have baby wipes, toothpicks, popsicle sticks. I have this pencil holder in which I keep my tools that I would need during filming. So like scissors, markers, rolling pin, X-Acto knife, anything that I would need during filming, I have in this pencil jar. Right next to that, I have my beautiful sprinkle collection. It looks so pretty, but I also keep this here because I make a lot of slime videos and it's just easier for me to like have it right in front of me. Here's a cup with some water and dirty paintbrushes, and then I also have like a towel to clean up. Besides my filming setup, I have this cart in which I keep more necessities. So I have markers, paintbrushes, varnishes, paint palettes. In the second compartment, I have all of my acrylic paints. I've kept these upside down so that I can like see what colors I have. And then in the last compartment, I have slime related stuff. So body lotion, hair gel, shaving cream, baby oil, anything when it comes to slime. Right next to the filming setup is my vanity. And this really hasn't changed much. It's, to be honest, pretty much the same. The vanity itself is from IKEA, and the pink stool is from RH Teen. The planter is from Urban Outfitters, and I think this was in my previous room tour as well. Underneath, I have this makeup organization little thing, and in here I keep all of my concealers. And then in the next drawer, I keep my eyeliner, mascara, eyebrow gel, that sort of thing. And in the last drawer, I have my blushes and bronzer. In this little trinket dish, I have my contacts, this lip balm from Tarte. It's like super minty and I really love it. And then I also have like some random jewelry in there. Here are my makeup brushes that I need to wash really badly. And then at the back, I just have some products. So I have hairspray, contact lens solution, what else is new in my life. And then I also have this product for like frizz. I love the smell of this. It smells really nice and like fresh. And it does also help with frizz. I have this Hello Kitty that is chilling under a candle. And then I have another candle. This I made a couple of years ago. You can find the video on my channel. And then I also have a Cliff Bar because sometimes I get hungry at night and I just don't want to go downstairs to the kitchen, so I like to keep a snack. I'm quickly going to show you guys the skincare and body care products that I've been using. So first off, the CeraVe lotion. I love this thing so much. This is my second bottle and I really, really like this product. It is amazing. Next, I have been using this eye cream by Ulla Henriksen. I don't like this. I feel like it makes my under eye area even more dry. So I'm waiting to finish this off so I can buy like a better eye cream because this isn't it. This is the moisturizer that I use every single day. It is by Drunk Elephant. And I'm not even kidding you guys. This is like the third or fourth jar. I love this thing so much. It has changed my life. I have like super dry, flaky kind of skin, and I would use like all different kinds of moisturizers and nothing would work. This has worked. So along with the cream, I do also use the Intensive Hydration Serum. This is my second bottle, and this is also really, really nice. So yeah, 10 on 10, would recommend. In this acrylic organizer, I have some more products. So I have my MAC Fix Plus. I also have a bottle of foundation, which I haven't used in the last 2 years. I've stopped using foundation altogether. I only use concealer under my eyes now. And yeah, in this organizer, I also have like some random tools like tweezers, scissors, face roller. Here is like the Cover FX glowy drop thing. It's really nice. This is an acrylic stud organizer. This I got from eBay. It was only for $1. the best dollar that I have ever spent in my life, because you know how you lose like little stud earrings? This has helped, and it's also nice to see all of your earrings all in one place. Next to that, I have this trinket dish in which I keep my rings. I'm quickly going to show you guys what's inside the drawer. So I just have makeup, basically. I'm not really that much into makeup. I don't wear makeup pretty often to begin with. So I just have the necessities, you know, some lipstick, lip gloss. I have my scrunchies in here, hairbrush, perfume, face powder. I'm not really that much into makeup, as you can probably tell. I do really enjoy skincare, and that I keep in my bathroom. Otherwise, I like forget to use my skincare. So all of my face mask and stuff, I keep that in my bathroom. On the floor, I have my giant teddy bear chilling. You guys have seen this in pretty much every single intro. And yeah, I love him so much, and I probably will never get rid of him. Right in front of my vanity is my bed. So like I said, I did downsize on my bed. I had a queen before. This is a twin. I don't really mind because I needed to make a more practical setup to have like the whole filming situation, and I also wanted to get the pink sofa. So yeah. The bed frame is pretty much the same. It has like 2 drawers for storage underneath, and I will show you guys what's inside in a little bit. The bedding, I'm not really sure where it's from because my mother got this for me. But if you look closely, it has like these white lines. I really like this bedding because it has like some texture to it. It's not like a solid color, if you know what I mean. On my bed, I also keep this Hello Kitty plush that is so freaking adorable and so small. This is a faux fur rug that I got from IKEA many years ago. And underneath my bed, I have 2 drawers in which I basically keep all of my PJs and loungewear. So nothing too exciting, just clothes basically. Right next to my bed is my clothing rack. This is pretty much the same, just like in my previous room tour, apart from the clothes. It's the same setup. And on here, I just keep outfits that I'm going to wear the week of or the following week. But with quarantine, I mean, there's really nowhere to go. So this has just been like this for a couple of weeks now. At the bottom of the rack, I have these cute little plushes. I used to have these on my bed before, but now I keep them here. And I also have this box in which I keep my bath bombs. Right next to that is this shelf that you guys see in my videos all the time. So I'm not going to go into too much detail, but I just quickly want to show you what I have. So I have like books, Funko Pops, candles, just like random things that I like. I kind of just keep here, and yeah, it looks really pretty. And by the way, this cat latte plush, I've had this for like 5 years and I still love it a lot. You guys really haven't seen the bottom shelf, so I'm going to quickly show you what I have. Here is my old laptop, and then in the box I keep just like random chargers for my lights, for my computer. I also just like keep some random stuff in here, so I have body lotion and some perfume. I have my Care Bear, which I've showed you guys this in every single room tour of mine. I think I got this when I was like, what, 7, 8 years old? And I ended up finding this miniature version of the same Care Bear. So I bought it and it looks so cute. I don't know, I really like this Care Bear because it's from my childhood and it has a lot of memories. In this basket, I keep my world's smallest vacuum cleaner. This was actually a birthday present. I love it so much. It's so cute and it actually does work. I basically use this to clean the inside of my drawers. So like say if I spilled some glitter, I will use this vacuum cleaner to clean it up, and it does the job. It does also come with these like little vacuum cleaner heads, which is so cute. So yeah, this thing is really nice. Here is my desk area, and I will be doing a full office tour for my next video, and I will be showing you all of my art supplies, and I will be showing you guys my closet, which basically looks like a mini craft store at this point. So I'm really excited for that video, and I hope you guys are as well. I want to end off this video by showing you what my room looks like at nighttime with these really cool and amazing lights. These are from Urban, but I got these 3 years ago and they were on clearance at the time, so I'm not really sure if you can find this same exact light, but I'm sure there are like something similar on Amazon, but they are so pretty. And that is it for my room tour. I know I'm going to get a lot of comments on where do I keep the rest of my clothes and like my shoes. So I have a spare room in which I used to keep the bulk of my art supplies, but then I ended up switching it up. So now my clothes are basically in my spare room, and my spare room is a mess. There's like a bunch of different things in there. So I might end up doing like a video of that, like cleaning it up or something. I'm not really sure, but I might do a video of that in the future. But yeah, that's basically where the rest of my clothes are. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one.